Good morning, Intro. I just want to update you on this week. So welcome back. I hope you guys had a great long weekend and got some rest. Just wanted to give you an idea of what you're working on for this week. First of all, your weekly folders are going to look a little bit different this week. They are going to consist of work that's done in class and then work that's done virtually. So it's expected this week that you will work during your virtual class period, like you will actually work on your project during that time. So you're going to be using that 12 by 12 paper with a border. Please make sure you bring it every time you're in class because we're going to be working on art production, whether we're in class or I'm in person or at home. So you should take a before picture for your virtual class and then work on it during your virtual period time, and then a end picture at the end of your class time, and then upload both of those photos for your progress check for your class period, like so that I can see, what you did during your class period for your virtual lesson for this week. So hopefully that's helpful. If not, reach out and ask questions. It's going to be fairly simple because it's just a lot of working toward getting your Zentangle done. Your benchmark is that by next Monday, you should have 3/4 of your work completed in pencil. Now, some of you are going to be ahead of that. Some of you are going to be a little behind. Your grade for this benchmark is going to be based on your progress toward that 3/4 mark. So I would suggest if you're a slow worker, just find time outside of your normal class times to get it done, just like you would in a normal school year. You would just have that as homework if you're working a little slower. Don't forget, no elementary patterns. So stripes count as elementary patterns. You can use them, but you have to have, in order for it to count toward the rubric, which is posted, you can see the final project rubric. It's posted in your weekly folder. But you need to have 10 plus complex patterns. So that means this patterns that come from the Zentangle catalog. I would really rely on that pretty heavily. Make sure to also watch that instructional video that I posted, as that is your instruction for how to accomplish the Zentangle. So again, I hope you guys have a great week and reach out to me with any questions. See you in class.